In this video, I'll be using Chocolatey to package and install GIMP. I'm starting this video from my GitHub page, and that's because there are a few bits of information here that I will be using for this video, and I will leave the URL in the description down below. And now I will begin this video by downloading all the necessary files for my package, and I will start with GIMP installation file. And for that, I will use the link that I have here that brings me to the GIMP download page. Here I will click on download GIMP directly, and that should start the download for me. Then I will go back to my GitHub page because here I have this NuGet package called template, and I will be using it to create my Chocolatey package. So I will click on it, then I will click on the button right here to download the package. Then I will go to my downloads folder, and as you can see, currently here we have the template NuGet package and also the GIMP installation file. I will double click on the template and it opens up with NuGet Package Explorer. And because I will be packaging the installation file inside of my Chocolatey package, I will right click on Tools, then I will click on Add Existing File, and I will select the installation file that I have in my Downloads folder. And as you can see, the installation file appeared here in the package. And now I will double click on Chocolatey Install, then on Edit button right here. And then I will go to my GitHub page because here I have this PowerShell snippet that will be responsible for executing the installation from the package. And as you can see, it finds the executable inside of the package, it executes the installation, and after that it removes the installation file from the computer. So to copy this snippet, I will click on the button right here, then I will go to my package and insert it here. And for it to work, we need to provide few values. For example, here we need to provide executable file name, and for that I will go to my downloads folder. I will right click on the installation file, select rename, I will select the full name to include the extension, and then I will copy the name. Then I will go back to my package and insert the value here. Then for the package name, I will enter GIMP. For file type, I will enter exe because we are using a .exe installation file. And also we need to provide silent switches because we want Chocolatey to execute the installation silently. And for that, I will go back to my GitHub page, and here I have all the necessary switches for the silent installation. So I'll click on the button right here to copy the values. I will go back to my package and insert the values here. And that's it with this snippet. Now we can save it and let's go back. And now I need to provide a few bits of information about the package here. So for that, I will click on this edit button, and for the package ID, I will enter GIMP. For the package version number, I will enter the version number that I see on the GIMP installation file. So it's 2.10.36. And for the authors, you can use whatever you like. And for the description, it doesn't really matter. So I'll enter my GIMP package. Let's save all the information by clicking on this button. And we are done creating our package. Now we need to save it. And for that, I will go to File, Save As, and I will be saving it in my Downloads folder. And I will also use my Downloads folder as my Chocolatey repository when trying to install this package. So let's click on the save button, and that's it. And now I will try to install this package, and for that I will open my terminal application as administrator because we need administrative privileges to execute the installation. And now let's type the Chocolatey command. So it's choco install. Then we need to provide our package ID that we entered here. So it's GIMP, and because I'm using my downloads folder as my Chocolatey repository, when installing this package, I need to add -s and then provide the repository location. So it's my D drive and downloads folder. And I will also add -y, and let's press enter and see what's going to happen. And that's it, the package was successfully installed. If I go to my start menu, then all apps, we can see somewhere here that GIMP was installed. I will click on it. It seems to be working just fine. And that's it for this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and see you in the next one.